everyone, welcome to Vicky's channel. Today we are going to crochet this cute cat's paw scarf. You can find the materials I used for this project in the description. At first, we need to make a slip knot. Then we are going to chain 29, yarn over, and pull through the loop on the hook. Here is the first chain. We need to do 28 more. Then we can start our first row. Return to the first chain from the hook. We are going to do a double crochet here. Then yarn over and go into the chain. Pull through. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Here is the first double crochet. We need to do a double crochet in each chain. Here is our first row. For the second row, chain 3 first. Then turn. We are going to start from the second stitch. Work 25 double crochets in order. We need to do the last double crochet in the chain. Here is our second row. For the third row, chain 3 first. Then turn. Start from the second stitch. Work 15 double crochets in order. Then chain 3. Skip the next 3 stitches. Then work 7 double crochets in order. We need to do the last double crochet in the chain. Here is our third row. For the fourth row, chain 3 first. Then turn. Start from the second stitch and work 5 double crochets in order. Then chain 2. Skip 1 stitch. Work 3 single crochets on the chain. Then chain 2. Skip 1 stitch. Then work 15 double crochets in order. Here is our fourth row. For the fifth row, chain 3 first, then turn. We are going to start from the second stitch. Work 15 double crochets in order. Then chain 1. Then work a double crochet in the stitch of the second single crochet. Then chain 1 and work 7 double crochets in order. Here is our fifth row. For the sixth row, chain 3 first, then turn. We are going to start from the second stitch. Work 25 double crochets in order. Here is our basic crochet pattern. Repeat 1 to 5 rows until the desired length is reached. Then we need to do 2 rows of double crochets. Then chain 1 and fasten off. Change to the light blue color, then start in the last stitch. Then chain 2. Work a half double crochet in the same stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Then yarn over and pull through 3 loops on the hook. Then skip the next stitch. Work a slip stitch. Repeat the same pattern to the other side. We need to do the last slip stitch in the chain. Then chain 2 and work a half double crochet in the same place. Then we need to do a slip stitch between the 2 rows. Repeat the same pattern. We can add some tassels on the sides. Iron them to make them smoother. Then we have completed today's scarf crochet. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.